Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the number of search results in the Startpage search engine from 10 to 20, for example. So let us dive into it. Alright guys, so let me navigate to Startpage's Start page. Here in the Waterfox web browser, let us go with an example like, I don't know, search keyword like Google. And after that, you will see these search entries here. So usually, on default, these pages here on Start Page Search contain only a couple of these search entries. As you can see, if you'd like to increase the number without skipping to the next page, guys, you will need to do it by heading over to your search engine settings by clicking into these three lines in the top right, and from here navigate to Settings, and from there navigate to General. And after that, guys, scroll down, and here under Appearance, you will find this Feature Results per Page. So let us switch to 20. Only 10 and 20 these are the only available options. So now if I head back to my settings, guys, don't forget to save your settings at the top. After that, these changes will be usable. So let us go with another example, Facebook, press enter, and now you will see 20 of these results, as you can see on page 1. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.